I mentioned that by default, the datepicker will conform with any default worksheet environment. What happens if your worksheet has become too complicated that the default structure has been compromised? No worries. A conditional alignment is always on standby to handle such complexities. What do I mean by compromised default worksheet structure? A worksheet is a very flexible object. It changes form in various ways. Hence, it is often hard to target or align a user form to a particular object within the worksheet. As I said, to define all these complexities of the worksheet, I have added a conditional alignment on top of the standard default alignment. So, if your spreadsheet has become complicated that the standard default alignment has been affected, as you see right here, a simple drag and drop will fix everything. You see? Just like that. The datepicker has added the changes in the worksheet structure into memory and will always remember that. The conditional alignment also applies to spreadsheets with damaged user interface. I also did not test this on Office 2013, a non-Windows machine, or Windows machine other than the one I am using. So, if for some reason there is a slight misalignment when you run this datepicker, please make use of the conditional alignment. Now, you may be asking yourself, does this affect other worksheets in this workbook? No. As you can see, our datepicker is still using the default alignment on these worksheets. So, whatever changes you make on one worksheet does not affect other worksheets. This means our datepicker is now intelligent enough to learn and conform to the physical changes of your file, enabling it to appear as part of the project. I teach in detail about establishing alignment intelligence in the 4th course of the datepicker series. You may need to enroll in that course if it is published.